Did you know that before 1920, most American vegetable gardens were at least 60% perennial? Our grandparents and great-grandparents knew something the modern gardening industry doesn't want you to remember. The best vegetables are the ones you never have to replant. For thousands of years, farmers worldwide relied on perennial vegetables that produced food year after year with almost no work. Then the seed catalog industry realized they couldn't profit from plants that never needed replacing, so they convinced us that annual vegetables were better. They weren't. They were just more profitable for seed companies. Today, I'm sharing 20 perennial vegetables that our ancestors knew by heart, but we've nearly forgotten. And that last one, number 20, is a plant so remarkable that every specimen alive today might be a genetic clone of plants that fed people centuries ago. It's literally living, producing history. Just like apple trees, these aren't your typical annuals. They're perennial powerhouses that laugh in the face of winter and come back stronger every season. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 20 vegetables will turn your garden into a permanent food factory with a fraction of the work. But here's the catch. Most gardeners have no idea these even exist. Welcome back to Smart Senior Gardeners, where we prove that age and wisdom create the best gardeners. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us, because today's video is going to completely change how you think about vegetable gardening. And to my returning viewers, thank you for coming back. You're part of a community that believes gardening should bring joy, not back pain. Now, before we dig into these incredible perennial vegetables, do me a quick favor. If you're tired of the annual replanting routine and ready for a garden that works smarter, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We drop new smart gardening secrets every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. All right, let's get growing. Let's jump into these 20 incredible perennial vegetables. Number 1. Asparagus, the 20-year investment. First up, asparagus. This is the heavyweight champion of perennial vegetables. Plant asparagus crowns once, and they'll produce for 20 to 25 years. Yes, 2 decades of fresh asparagus from one planting session. Here's the thing. Asparagus makes you wait. The first year, you don't harvest anything. The second year, you barely touch it. But by year 3, you're harvesting delicious spears every spring for the next 2 decades. It's like putting money in a savings account that pays you in vegetables. Asparagus loves full sun and well-drained soil. Plant it once, be patient, and then enjoy literally hundreds of pounds of asparagus over its lifetime. Number 2. Rhubarb, the cold-hardy champion. Rhubarb is ridiculously tough. It survives freezing winters, comes back every spring with beautiful red stalks, and produces for 15 to 20 years minimum. You plant one rhubarb crown, and you're set for decades of pies and jams. The best part? Rhubarb actually needs cold winters to thrive. So if you live in a cooler climate, rhubarb is your best friend. Just remember, the leaves are toxic, but those stalks are pure gold. Number 3. Artichokes, edible garden art. Artichokes are beautiful plants that look like something from a fantasy garden. In zones 7 and above, they come back year after year, producing gorgeous flower buds that we harvest and eat. Each plant can produce dozens of artichokes per season for 5 to 7 years. Even in colder zones, you can grow them as perennials with winter protection. They're impressive, delicious, and make your garden look absolutely stunning. Number 4. Sorrel, the forgotten salad green. Sorrel is one of those vegetables most people have never heard of, but once you grow it, you'll wonder why it's not in every garden. This leafy green has a tangy, lemony flavor perfect for salads and soups. Sorrel is virtually indestructible. It grows in partial shade, tolerates poor soil, and comes back every year for 6 years or more. You plant it once and have fresh salad greens from early spring through fall, year after year. It's like having a salad bar that never closes. Number 5. Egyptian walking onions, the garden wanderers. Here's where things get weird and wonderful. Egyptian walking onions literally walk across your garden. They grow little bulbs at the top of their stalks. Those bulbs get heavy, the stalk bends over, and the bulbs plant themselves in a new spot. You can harvest both the underground bulbs and the topset bulbs, and they keep multiplying forever. Plant them once and you'll never buy onions again. Plus, they're a conversation starter because they're just bizarre and amazing. Number 6. Globe artichokes, Mediterranean powerhouse. Globe artichokes establish deep root systems and are drought-tolerant once established, meaning less watering and less work for you. In Mediterranean climates, these plants become massive productive fixtures. One plant can yield up to 30 artichokes in a season and keep producing for a decade if you treat them right. If you're realizing you've been wasting money and energy on annual vegetables when you could be growing these perennials, hit that like button so more people can discover these secrets. And drop a comment telling me which perennial vegetable you're most excited to try. Number 7. Watercress, the wet spot solution. Watercress thrives in wet conditions. If you have a boggy area where nothing else will grow, watercress will absolutely thrive there. It's packed with nutrients, has a peppery bite that makes salads interesting, and grows like crazy once established. You can keep harvesting it, and it keeps growing back. It's perennial in mild climates and will self-seed in colder areas. Number 8. Sea kale, ornamental and edible. Sea kale produces tender shoots in spring that taste similar to asparagus. It's extremely ornamental with blue-green leaves and white flowers, pulling double duty as both food and garden decoration. It's drought-tolerant, pest-resistant, and will produce for 8 to 10 years. Plant it in a sunny spot with good drainage, and you're done. Number 9. Lovage, celery's perennial cousin. Lovage tastes like celery but grows as a massive perennial herb that comes back bigger every year. You can use the leaves, stems, and seeds for cooking. One plant is usually enough for an entire family because it grows so large. Lovage is hardy, requires almost no maintenance, and lives for decades. Plant it once, and your grandchildren might still be harvesting from it. Number 10. Good King Henry, 3 vegetables in 1. This old-fashioned perennial produces edible leaves similar to spinach, edible shoots similar to asparagus, and edible flower buds. It's like 3 vegetables in 1 plant, and it's completely perennial. It tolerates shade better than most vegetables, perfect for those partially shaded areas. It's been grown in Europe for centuries and deserves way more attention. Number 11. Turkish rocket, perennial arugula. Turkish rocket is a perennial version of regular arugula. If you love that peppery flavor but hate replanting every few weeks, this is your answer. It produces leaves almost year-round in mild climates. In colder areas, it dies back in winter but returns in spring. The plant is essentially unkillable. Number 12. Caucasian spinach, the climbing greens. Caucasian spinach is a climbing perennial that produces spinach-like leaves on vigorous vines. Grow it on a trellis and it'll produce fresh greens from spring through fall. It's heat-tolerant, so it keeps producing even when regular spinach would bolt and become bitter. The plant dies back in winter but returns every spring. Number 13. Dobbinton's kale, never-ending kale. Most kale is biennial, but Dobbinton's kale is truly perennial. This variety doesn't produce seeds, so all its energy goes into producing leaves. You can harvest almost year-round for years. The leaves are tender, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Plus, you can propagate it from cuttings. It's virtually pest-free and handles cold weather like a champion. Number 14. 9-star perennial broccoli. Yes, perennial broccoli exists. 9-star produces multiple small broccoli heads instead of one large head and keeps producing for about 5 years. The heads are white or cream-colored, tasting like a cross between broccoli and cauliflower. Once it gets going, you're harvesting broccoli every year without replanting. Number 15. Chives, the eternal herb. Chives are so common people forget they're perennial. Plant chives once, and they'll divide and multiply forever. You get fresh onion-flavored greens almost year-round, plus beautiful purple edible flowers. Chives require zero maintenance and will literally outlive you if you let them. Number 16. Garlic chives, the heat-loving version. Similar to regular chives, but with garlic flavor. Garlic chives produce flat leaves and white flowers, and they're just as perennial and low maintenance. They're heat-tolerant and actually prefer warmer weather. You can harvest the leaves, flowers, and even the flower buds. They'll naturalize in your garden, spreading and filling empty spaces on their own. Number 17. Horseradish, the unstoppable root. Horseradish won't quit. In fact, the bigger problem is stopping it from taking over. Plant one horseradish root, and you'll have horseradish forever. The roots are what you harvest for that spicy condiment. Horseradish is incredibly vigorous, tolerates poor soil, and requires absolutely no care. Just be strategic about where you plant it because once established, it's there for life. Number 18. Jerusalem artichokes, sunflower relatives. Also called sunchokes, these are perennial tubers that taste nutty and slightly sweet. They grow tall like sunflowers and produce edible tubers underground. Jerusalem artichokes are ridiculously productive. Plant a few tubers, and they'll multiply like crazy. They're also beautiful with bright yellow flowers in late summer. Just be aware they can spread, so plant them where you don't mind them multiplying. Number 19. Wild ramps, forager's gold. Ramps are perennial wild leeks with a devoted following because of their unique flavor. They prefer shade and moist soil, making them perfect for woodland gardens. They grow slowly from seed, but establish into permanent colonies that produce every spring. Once you have ramps, you're part of an exclusive club of gardeners growing one of the most sought-after wild vegetables. Number 20. Tree collards, living history. Tree collards are absolutely mind-blowing. These perennial brassicas grow into small trees, producing edible leaves year-round in mild climates. They can live for 10 to 20 years, growing up to 12 feet tall. You keep harvesting leaves, and they keep producing more. They don't produce seeds, so you propagate them from cuttings. Every tree collard is essentially a clone of an ancient plant kept alive through cuttings for potentially hundreds of years. It's like growing a piece of living history that feeds you forever. Your perennial garden journey. There you have it, 20 vegetables that completely change the game. Instead of spending money and straining your back every year, you invest once and harvest for years, sometimes decades. This is how you build a truly sustainable garden that works for you instead of you working for it. Here's my challenge. Pick 3 of these perennial vegetables and commit to planting them this season. Just 3. Watch what happens over the next few years as those plants establish and start producing food without you having to replant them. If this video opened your eyes to a whole new way of gardening, please share it with fellow gardeners who need this information. Hit that subscribe button to Smart Senior Gardeners because we're building a community of wise gardeners who work smarter, not harder. Drop a comment below telling me which perennial vegetable you're most excited about. I genuinely want to know. Until next time, keep growing smart, keep enjoying your garden, and remember, the best gardens are the ones that take care of themselves while you sit back with your morning coffee and enjoy the results. See you in the next video.